What's in your basket?
Oh, there's raisins. And a balance box.
What's that? What does the kitty say? Huh? Meow. Alright, girl. Here you go. Kitty, here you go. Hi, Dad. Psst.
Hello, Dad. This is the playground.
Are you bringing your kitty to the playground?
No, this is not my kitty. This is my bear.
What's your bear's name?
He doesn't have a name.
Well, what do people call him on the playground?
Dust Kitty. His name is Dust Kitty.
Even though he's a bear? Like the lady at Lonelyville? Here, you're doing great. Okay.
Even though my dad doesn't know those now.
Okay. Good job.
We're going on the slide. Does anybody see the slide?
Yes, the slide is past the swings and to the left. Tell your bear to be careful. It's a really, really high slide.
Okay. Is this where the slide is?
Yeah, you found it. He has to wait his turn. Daphne, I smelled something. Did you go poo-poo? Should we change your diaper? What's in there? Uh-oh. Huh? What? You can bring Straw-E on the slide. Is Straw-E a straw? Scooter cannot go on the slide. Scooter is not allowed up on furniture. He's too big.
I think my bear wants to go on the swings now.
Okay. I think we need to get ready to go, huh?
I think my bear wants to.
Uh-huh, your kitty? Daphne, ask your kitty if she wants to come and change your diaper. Does your kitty want to come change your diaper? Huh? No? He doesn't want to go? Are you going to feed your kitty? Very nice kitty. Oh. You going to give your kitty a kiss? You give your kitty a kiss? Oh, you going to take her to change her diaper? Is it going night-night? Night-night, kitty. Night-night. Go to sleep, kitty. Oh, is he gonna play with toys? Come on, Daph. Let's go change your diaper. Psst.
Ow! Mama!
Yeah?
Mom!
That's his tail?
Yeah.
Does he need it these days? Maybe for balance? He's a flying kitty. Whew. Skeleton feet. Does kitty like Skelly? Hi, Skelly.
Mama,
Yeah?
I need to walk.
You need to take your kitty this way? Okay. You're gonna... Kitty's gonna play with Elmo? Is your kitty hungry?
Yeah.
Does he want food? Should we go bring your kitty in your room? Thank you. Pizza. Okay.
Put him down on the car. There we go. He'll be the dog like that. It's true puppy. How about I tap inside?
Oh, is that too heavy?
No.
You're strong.
How about this could be the post? And it could sit on it. How about pony? Will be the beautiful duck. Hey, what's a bumblebee? Yeah.
What's that?
This is a grass.
Uh-huh. Do you see pictures? Hey, you stuck it on. Good job. One for me? Thank you.
I'm a snotty princess.
A snotty princess? Would you like a tissue?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Do you have any gum now, Mom?
No, we don't have any gum.